This dish is my version of a weekend roast inspired by my delicious adventures at Marlborough station. Today I'm cooking with quality New Zealand lamb and I'm going to make a marinade. Now what I'm going to do first is I'm going to quickly score the lamb so all the goody marination goes into the meat. Just like that, just lightly scored. And it's important to have a nice and sharp knife. Now I'm going to make a marinade. The key ingredient is the hoisin sauce. I'm going to use quite a bit. It's just so good for any marination really. And then leekum soy sauce. So I'm adding a bit of the saltness to that meat. The shaoxing wine will tenderize the meat. I wanted to add a bit of the spiciness to it too. So chilli flakes and then a white pepper, sesame seed and a star anise powder and garlic. Look at that, that's just beautiful, shiny looking. I'm happy with that. Get it in there, rub it. So I'm gonna rest this one in the fridge for good 24 hours. And this is what I prepared yesterday. It's ready to go into the oven. But before I do, I've got a special tool. So I'm gonna use this temperature thermometer, we call it probe. This will tell me inner temperature. I wanted to cook meat, medium rare to medium, and this little gadget will tell me. Inside of the meat, I want to have the nice and pink. So there you go, 62. That's what I want. While I'm waiting, I'm gonna make a quick Asian salad. Shredded cabbage, carrots julienne, edamame beans, and vermicelli. I'm also gonna use fresh growers coriander. I really like the coriander. Coarsely chop, you don't have to fine chop. Now, what I feel like is I wanted to add a bit of the crunchiness. So what I've got is this, rice noodles. We're gonna deep fry this. Put this one in there. Takes about 10 seconds to cook. So let me introduce my cooking chopsticks. Started to use when I was really little. I've been cooking in the kitchen since when I was 7. Cooking with mum and auntie. Those are the memories that I miss the most. This sweet and tangy marinade has made this lamb very tasty and tender. Itadakimasu. Flavoursome. Crispy crackers and a refreshing salad.